Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about division. If 4x³ plus kx squared plus px plus 2 is divisible by x squared plus qx cube squared, rule that kb equals 8. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We know that if this equation can divide this one, so this means that in this equation they should have the factor s squared plus q squared. And the technique how to answer, we need to create the new formula. So we have as plus b, because we want to make sure that this equation can create two factors like this, so they can divide to this s squared plus q squared, and we put about equals to this one. Now we just multiply in here. Now we create the system of equations. So the question that I just asked about k multiplied with b equals to number 8. So we need to find a relationship in here, and we can see that k b is about capital B multiplied with q square 8. So we have b q square 8. B, we know that's about k, and b they can replace this number 2, so we have q square b is about number 2, and in here we have capital A is about number 4, and we got about 8. So we just rule about that. That's the end. Thank you for watching.